Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to export contacts from your LinkedIn and import them into your CRM. So let's get started by opening a browser on your PC and then simply search for linkedin.com in the search bar. Also, if you have your LinkedIn app, you can go ahead and open it as well. Once you log into your account, tap on your profile icon and tap on Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings, simply tap on Data Privacy, and then simply select Get a copy of your data. Inside here, you'll be redirected to a page where you can request your data. You can go ahead and simply select Connections under the Download My Data option. If in case you don't find connections, you want to go ahead and simply tap on the first one, and then tap on Request Archive. When you do that, you want to go ahead and check your email in 10 or 15 minutes, and LinkedIn will send you a download link. When you open the downloaded zip file, you will find the connections.csv file. Inside the file, it includes your name, email, job title, and profile links. And just like that, after you have done that, you want to go ahead and simply open your CRM, for example, Salesforce, HubSpot, or any CRM platform you're using. Look for the Import or Upload Contacts section within your CRM, and then choose CSV as the file type for importing, and upload the CSV file that you have just downloaded from LinkedIn. And that's it, guys. Your LinkedIn contacts are now in your CRM. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.